Namaskar from Ananda in the Himalayas. I'm Sandeep. So, in this series of small yogic capsules, today we are going to present to you a short meditation on Om. Om is a short mantra and it is not connected to any religion. Mantras have always been tools for meditation and to connect to the higher vibrations and to internalize the mind. So, in that way, we should understand these mantras. Om being one of the most primordial sound, and it was said that when creation happened, what emerged as a vibration was the sound of Om. There has been many explanations about, intellectual explanations about Om. If you go into the intellectualization of the mantras, then we get involved into a different dimension. But we should keep it more on the vibratory and the experience level. Then you will really experience the power of these mantras. The mantra Om has 3 syllables: A, U and Ma. Now these 3 syllables have different representations. One of the explanation of these 3 syllables is given in the Mandukya Upanishad, which is one of the most classical texts, which explains that these 3 syllables or the 3 sounds are connected to your 3 levels of consciousness. One is the wakeful consciousness, which is the Jagrat. Second is the U, which is the dreaming consciousness, Swapna. And 3, which is the Ma, which is the higher consciousness, Sushupti, which is the higher consciousness. So, these are explanations that have been given about Om. So, we will just try to experience it and try to do this short practice, which is very powerful. So, we sit in a comfortable posture, place your hands on the knees in the mudra, index finger on tip of the thumb, Gyan or Chin mudra. Palms facing upward or downward, whichever feels comfortable to you. Eyes gently closed, spine straight, body relaxed. Observe the body, let the body settle down comfortably, and just prepare yourself for a short meditation of Om. Try to focus on the 3 syllables equally when you are chanting the mantra Om, and do it as per your comfort. Inhale deeply. For a few seconds, just feel the vibrations that you have created with the Om. Now these three syllables of A, U, Ma, they have also been explained from the point of view of the chakras and the granthis. Chakras are the centers of energy. There are 7 important chakras which are based on the spine, which are located on the spine. And it also helps into the activation of the chakras. But there is also one explanation about the 3 knots that we have in the body. And these 3 knots are the Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra knots. Basically, the energy is blocked in these 3 centers. And by meditations or many different practices of mantras and all, these 3 knots are unblocked. So, A represents the Brahma Granthi, which is at the Mooladhara, at the perineum. U represents the Vishnu Granthi, which is at the Manipur Chakra, which is at the navel. And Ma represents the Rudra Granthi, which is at the eyebrow center. So these 3 syllables represents the 3 granthis, and when we are chanting the mantra, we are actually moving the awareness to these 3 granthis or the chakras. With the A, we will focus on the Mooladhara. With U, we will focus on Manipur at the navel, and with Ma, we will focus on the eyebrow center, which is Agya. So we are going to equally distribute the A, U, Ma and move the awareness. That's how the chanting will be done. So please get ready, closing the eyes. Moving the awareness from the Mooladhara, Manipur and Agya. Be aware of the vibrations on the 3 chakras. Now, in the next chanting, we are going to emphasize and extend the chanting of the A syllable on Mooladhara, and the oo and the ma will be very, very short. Like that we will chant. So keeping the awareness on Mooladhara at the perineum, inhale deeply. Feel the vibration of the Om and the syllable A on the Mooladhara. Your mind may wander. Try to bring it back to the chakra and the chanting. In the next rounds, we will focus on the syllable U on the Manipur chakra. Manipur is the very important center of dynamism, energy. So the focus and the extended syllable will be U, and A and Ma will be short. Inhale deeply. Keeping the awareness on the Manipur chakra with the chanting, feel the vibrations. In the next round, we are going to emphasize and extend the the M at the Agya chakra. The focus will be on the Agya chakra. And when you extend the you will see that it has a very deep calming effect to your mind. So let's start the chanting. Take a deep breath in. Keeping the awareness at the eyebrow center, feeling the vibrations of the mantra. Be aware of the space in front of the closed eyes. Gently become aware of the body. Externalize your awareness to the outside environment. Rub your palms together. Feel the warmth on the palms and place them on your closed eyes. Namaskar. Thank you so much for being part of this practice. You can do this practice with any number of rounds with Om. That depends upon you, how much time you have. And this will definitely give you a very good benefit whenever you are under anxiety or stress, you want to calm down. It's a very simple meditation but very effective. Namaskar from Ananda in the Himalayas. Stay safe.